the silent killers of car paint and how to stop them without spending a fortune on ceramic coatings. Most car owners assume paint damage comes from scratches, accidents, or aging, but the real destruction happens quietly, every single day, through processes you rarely notice. Sunlight slowly breaks down clear coat chemistry. Dust acts like microscopic sandpaper. Polluted air bonds to surfaces, and even normal washing techniques can create long-term swirl marks that kill shine. The result is a car that looks dull and aged long before its time. While ceramic coating is often marketed as the ultimate solution, modern paint science shows that most damage can be prevented with simple habits and affordable protection methods. The real secret is understanding how environmental forces attack paint at a chemical and microscopic level, and then interrupting those processes before they become permanent damage. Let's watch. 1. UV radiation and thermal stress. The slow breakdown of clear coat chemistry. One of the most aggressive silent killers of car paint is ultraviolet UV radiation. Modern automotive paint is protected by a clear coat layer designed to resist sunlight, but it is not permanent. UV rays break down polymer chains through a process called photooxidation, where oxygen and sunlight work together to weaken the paint structure. At first, this damage is invisible. The paint still looks glossy, and most drivers assume everything is fine. But beneath the surface, chemical bonds are slowly being destroyed. Over time, this leads to fading, dullness, and a rough texture that reflects light unevenly. What makes modern conditions worse is heat. In hot climates, surface temperatures can exceed 60 degrees Celsius or more. This causes thermal expansion and contraction cycles every day. Paint expands in heat and contracts at night. This repeated stress accelerates microcracking in the clear coat. Modern vehicles sometimes use UV reflective pigments and improved clear coat technology, but no factory finish is completely immune. Even premium cars degrade without protection. Low-cost prevention is surprisingly effective. Parking in shade, using reflective windshield covers, and applying spray sealants with UV blockers can dramatically slow degradation. Even washing at cooler times of day reduces thermal stress exposure. 2. Acidic contamination, bird droppings, tree sap, and industrial fallout. One of the most destructive paint threats is chemical contamination. Bird droppings are especially dangerous because they contain uric acid, which has a strong corrosive effect on clear coat surfaces. When exposed to heat, this acid can etch into paint in just a few hours. Tree sap behaves differently but is equally harmful. It hardens into a resin-like substance those bonds tightly to paint molecules. Once cured under sunlight, it becomes extremely difficult to remove without damaging the surface. In urban environments, industrial fallout adds another layer of risk. Airborne pollutants soot, and chemical particles settle invisibly on the car surface. When combined with moisture or rain, they form weak acids that slowly eat away at protective layers. Modern detailing science refers to this as chemical etching damage. Once it penetrates the clear coat, no amount of washing can fully reverse it. You need polishing or correction. The best defense is timing. Removing contaminants quickly is far more important than using expensive products. A simple microfiber cloth with pH-balanced cleaner can prevent permanent damage if used early. Waiting even a day in harsh sunlight dramatically increases risk. 3. Microabrasion damage. Swirl marks from washing and daily contact. Most people unknowingly damage their car paint during washing. Dirt particles trapped in cloths, sponges, or brushes act like abrasive sandpaper when rubbed against the surface. Over time, this creates swirl marks, tiny circular scratches that scatter light and destroy gloss. Even wiping a dusty car without rinsing first can cause damage. Dust particles may look soft, but under pressure they behave like fine grit. Automatic car washes are another major contributor. Many use rotating brushes that accumulate dirt from hundreds of vehicles. Each pass drags microscopic debris across your paint. Modern detailing avoids this with contact-safe washing. Foam pre-wash systems loosen dirt before physical contact. Microfiber wash mits trap particles instead of dragging them. Even 2-bucket washing systems reduce swirl risk significantly. A low-cost method that works well is pre-rinsing thoroughly before any wiping. This removes loose particles and drastically reduces abrasion risk. Drying with microfiber towels instead of rough cloths also helps preserve gloss. 4. Embedded metal contamination, brake dust, iron fallout, and pollution layers. Every time you drive, your car is exposed to microscopic metal particles. Brake dust is one of the most common sources. It contains iron-rich particles that stick to paint surfaces and slowly oxidize. These particles don't just sit on the surface, they embed into the clear coat and begin rusting over time. This creates tiny orange or brown spots that spread if left untreated. Urban pollution adds another layer of contamination. Industrial emissions release soot and microscopic chemicals that bond with paint, especially in humid conditions. Over time, this creates a dull, rough surface texture. Modern detailing uses iron removal chemicals that dissolve these particles safely without scratching paint. However, even without chemicals, regular washing reduces buildup significantly. A newer concept in paint protection is surface neutrality maintenance, keeping the paint free of bonded contaminants so nothing can chemically attach long-term. This is achieved through frequent, gentle cleaning rather than aggressive deep cleaning sessions. 5. Water damage and mineral etching. The hard water problem most people ignore. Water itself is not harmful, but what is inside the water often is. Hard water contains minerals like calcium and magnesium. When water evaporates, these minerals are left behind as deposits on the paint surface. Under sunlight, these deposits heat up and crystallize, bonding tightly with clear coat layers. This process creates water spots that can eventually etch into the paint permanently. Once etching occurs, polishing is required to restore the surface. That's why prevention is far easier than correction. Modern detailing avoids this through immediate drying techniques. Using microfiber towels or air blowers prevents mineral deposits from forming. Even rinsing with filtered water helps reduce mineral content before evaporation. Some professional systems now use deionized water rinse stages, which remove nearly all minerals before drying. While this is advanced, even basic habits significantly reduce long-term spotting. Car paint damage is not caused by one dramatic event. It is the result of continuous, invisible processes working together every day. UV radiation breaks down chemical bonds, contaminants etch the surface, dust creates micro scratches, and water minerals leave behind permanent marks. Most drivers only notice the damage when it becomes too late to reverse. The idea that only expensive ceramic coatings can protect paint is outdated. Modern paint science shows that simple habits, combined with affordable protective products, can preserve gloss and color for years. When you understand how each silent killer works, prevention becomes easy and natural. Ultimately, maintaining car paint is not about spending more money. It is about staying consistent, acting early, and using smart protection strategies that align with how modern automotive surfaces actually degrade.